Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make iPhone automatically connect to a Wi-Fi. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi right here. And by turning on the Wi-Fi, what's going to happen is whenever you open the phone or something like that to any place that has a lot of Wi-Fi, you're going to be able to catch the connection if the Wi-Fi was free, right? But if it wasn't, just go ahead right here. Let's say for example you are for the first time trying to connect to a new Wi-Fi, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and enter my settings, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click onto my Wi-Fi, right? Now as you can see right here, let's say for example this network, right? I'm gonna just go ahead and enter it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna enter the password and everything, and after you enter the password, you're gonna join this Wi-Fi, right? And after you join this Wi-Fi, whatever happens, God forbid your previous, or maybe you went on went somewhere and then got back from traveling or whatever it might be, your connection will be automatically connected, right? So you don't need to actually go ahead and go to the Wi-Fi and then just try to add the password. Once you enter the password for the Wi-Fi specified, you'll be able to connect with it automatically whenever you got back from a traveling or a trip abroad, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.